What's going on YouTube? John here again with LXPlore. So the last episode we talked about things that I love about the 100 series Land Cruiser. And one thing that I really failed to point out on that last episode, because there's a ton of things on the 100 series Land Cruiser that I love, but this one right here, tailgate. It's a platform. It's a table. It holds your drinks. It holds your stove, your lantern, holds your cooler, your basket of laundry. So not everybody has that. I love it. However, it's still not enough room. You still got to feed your family. You still got to prep food. So I have another option I just bought. I haven't put it to the test, but I can tell you that I already like it. Stay tuned. So this right here is a table that I bought from Walmart. Bought it probably like 3 or 4 years ago. The only bad thing about it is that it doesn't take up that much space, but it's pretty wobbly. When you put a drink on it, look, I just wobbled it a little bit and it's already kind of coming up in the center. So it served its purpose, but I've bought something else. It's a lot sturdier and has a little more surface area. Alright, so I bought this Coleman compact table. It has folding aluminum slats for the top, and the frame is all steel tube. Bought this on Amazon. I'm not sponsored by Coleman or Amazon. That would be nice. So, the bag, canvas bag. At the bottom, it seemed like they doubled it up, so it's actually a little bit stronger than most canvas bags. Here's a slat top, super lightweight, all aluminum. Steel frame with a couple steel extra tubes for support. So you'll notice right here is that it's pretty easy. It's no instructions needed really. I mean, if you have the mechanical knowledge to put something together and to see it and put it together, it's really quite easy. It's so easy. Just like that. Now, at each end of these steel tubes is just a little, it's a little bit smaller diameter pipe or tube, and on each one of the slats, or not each one of them, but the end slats actually have the female end. So you'll slide those inside. Now each one of these slats is actually held on by some sort of bungee that holds them all together. So you don't have to worry about them flying apart. Voila. Yeah, it makes a little bit of noise. You could put a something hot on it and not worry about it melting, just like this like the plastic Walmart version here. But yeah, I like it. A little bit more space to cook stuff. You could put, you know, the stove right on top. You could probably take your pot of coffee and set it directly on top of the aluminum and not have to worry about it melting. And when you put it all away, all in reverse order. And right back into the oversized bag that was provided. Look at that piece of cake. Alright, Walmart table. I think I also bought this for about $27. This rickety old thing. It's been a lot of places. I'm gonna miss it. So to put this bad boy away, you gotta depress these buttons, slide everything in. Make sure you don't catch your thumbs or your fingers in any of these little holes, so that hurts. Depress the little red button to release those legs. And like a suitcase. This isn't too bad. You can fit it on top of a roof rack, underneath a slide, in a drawer. It served its purpose, but I'm moving on. Alrighty guys, so there you have it. The Coleman compact table, all aluminum, top, steel frame. It's the perfect table for overlanding, car camping, overland camping, off-road camping, or off-road overlanding. Perfect piece of gear to add to your overlanding rig. Anyways, leave a comment. If you'd like, I'll actually put that in the description below. Exactly where I got it. Hopefully they still have the same price. It was roughly $20-something. Free shipping, Amazon Prime. Alright guys. Until next time, get outside.